create a new landed cost. So we come here, if we start here at the inventory dashboard, we come here to inventory control, landed costs, create a new one, select the journal, which is landed cost, and we add the items, brokerage, import duties. There are more, like tracking, and so on. All right, so we add how much we pay for the different services. All right, so we have all these services we paid for at destination. And now what we do is we select the pickings that we want to apply. The pickings are receiving transfers that we know for sure that don't have the landed cost yet. So I have a list here. And so from that list, I'm going to select this 02088, 02088. And it's an N, and I'm going to select the other one, 02087, 02087. It's N, and let's select this other one, 02083, 02083. All right, so now we have our transfers that will apply. We have our cost, our landed cost. Now we click save to make sure we don't lose all this information. Once we do that, we can compute the costs that will apply. So we click here on the compute button. And what the system will do is it will split by current cost. It will split those $5,000 amongst the products that we have in these three transfers. So in this case, we have a long list of products. But as you can see, the former cost is for this first product, the former cost was $16.74. The former total cost was this, and the additional landed cost is $6.83 for brokerage, $2.96 for import duties, and $15.93 for tracking. And now this is applied. We have the option to validate this or keep it like this in case we want to make changes in the future, right? So up to this point, it is not final. We can make changes still, but let's just validate it to confirm all these new prices, all these new costs. And so the system will do it automatically. When there are lots of products, it usually takes a while, right? Because there's a lot of calculations to be done. Alright, now it has done the calculation. Now everything's good. Now let's check, for example, this one. We come here. We see the original cost was $62,555. Now we come here to the quantity on hand. And now we see that the ones that were received on this date now have an additional value, right? And this is how it works. And so on, we can continue checking all the different products.